I'm Chun-Li Zhang, professor in the Department of Molecular Biology, but also in the Institute of Regenerative Medicine and Science. So my research is mainly interested in the neurodegeneration and how to repair the nervous system after injury or under neurodegeneration. We use molecular cellular approaches to really manipulate cell fate and the cell state to for the long term to repair those nervous systems. I graduated from here, got my Ph.D., but then went to California for a postdoc study. But when I look for a faculty position and interviewed here, I think this is my home. And fortunately, I was offered the position and then really happy to accept that position. And that was in 2008, so I stayed all the years until now. For me, I like interesting things and novel things. I want to try to see something new and kind of driven by curiosity and that kind of nature to see something novel.